Guys, customer support today is more complex than ever. Businesses are no longer dealing with just slow response times. They are now dealing with customers from different countries, time zones, and languages, all expecting instant and accurate answers. During promotions or peak seasons, support teams get overloaded, tickets pile up, and important after-sales issues can easily slip through the cracks. I am Daniel, and today we're looking at GPT-Bots, an enterprise-grade AI platform for real customer service scenarios. These assistants go far beyond simple chatbots. They are designed to handle customer interactions around the clock in a reliable and well-structured way, even across different regions and markets. We'll look at how this platform handles real-world customer service challenges and how you can build a professional AI support agent without writing code. You'll also see why this approach works well for small teams and cross-border businesses that need enterprise-level support without growing their support staff. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Let's jump right in. So guys, let's start with the basics. GPT-Bots is an enterprise-grade platform for building AI agents, not simple chatbots. It's designed to help businesses automate real customer interactions in a structured and reliable way. The tool focuses on AI assistants that understand context and follow defined workflows. It allows them to handle conversations more intelligently than basic rule-based bots, making them suitable for real support and operational tasks. Friends, GPT-Bots is built around a visual, no-code interface. This helps teams to create and manage intelligent systems without programming, while still maintaining control over behavior and logic. In practice, the tool acts as a central AI layer that connects customer conversations with internal knowledge and business systems. It makes it a practical solution for enterprise-level use cases. So guys, here's how GPT-Bots works in practice. First of all, this assistant is not just a chatbot platform, it's an enterprise-grade AI agent platform, and that difference matters. A traditional chatbot simply replies to predefined questions. An autonomous assistant, on the other hand, understands context, follows multi-step workflows, connects to business systems, and actually takes action. To get started, you sign up and choose what kind of AI assistant you want to build. The platform offers several ready-made starting points designed for different business needs, so you don't have to configure everything manually. You can begin from a blank setup, but in most cases it's faster and more practical to select a template, such as a customer service setup, and adapt it to your workflow. Friends, once you select a template, the assistant is created instantly. You're taken to the configuration area, where the core logic of the system lives. At the heart of it is the flow, a visual workflow that shows how requests are processed step by step. It may look complex at first, but this is where the real power of the platform shows. In just a couple of clicks, you get a professional, enterprise-ready setup with pre-built logic that would normally take days to code. When a customer sends a message, the agent receives the request and determines the appropriate next step based on their understanding of the context. It can handle requests intelligently by following business logic and taking the right action within the conversation flow. This is not a black box. Every step can be customized visually, using drag-and-drop components, without writing any code. To make the agent truly useful for your business, you connect two key things. First, your knowledge base. This includes all the internal information and reference materials your business relies on for consistent and accurate responses. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. You can upload documents in different formats, and the service automatically turns them into structured knowledge the system can work with. Next, you connect your business systems, allowing the assistant to access real data and perform actions directly within your existing infrastructure. Once the knowledge base and integrations are in place, the assistant starts delivering accurate, context-aware answers. Mates, it doesn't just reply, it understands where the information comes from and applies it consistently across conversations. You can then fine-tune the behavior using AI-assisted tools, generate welcome messages, and test different conversation scenarios before going live. When everything is ready, you publish the setup and make it available for real use. Deployment is flexible. GPT-Bots supports multi-channel deployment, allowing the same agent to operate across different communication channels and enterprise systems through a single unified setup. This means one AI agent can handle all customer communication channels while keeping a unified context. Folks, after launch, you can monitor performance in the Insights section. Here you'll see how users interact with the agent, which questions come up most often, and where workflows can be improved. Over time, this data helps optimize customer support quality and operational efficiency. In short, GPT-Bots lets businesses build intelligent AI customer service agents that understand context, execute workflows, connect to enterprise data, and provide 24/7 automated, multi-channel support, all without coding. Friends, what I appreciate about the instrument is how thoughtfully the platform approaches automation. Instead of turning customer service into a set of rigid scripts, it gives you a structured system where AI agents can actually understand context and follow meaningful workflows. The whole experience feels designed for real teams, not experiments. GPT-Bots also scale naturally with your needs. You can start with a simple customer service setup and gradually expand it as your processes grow, without rebuilding everything from scratch. That flexibility makes it easier to trust the system over time and adapt it to real business scenarios. I personally use this platform and consider it useful, but the decision to use it or not is always yours. I hope this overview gives you a clear picture of how the platform works and helps you decide whether this approach fits your workflows and expectations. Friends, before you go, check the links in the description. That's where all the coupons and special offers are. If you want to try the tool, that's the best place to start. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.